this here is basically nature's best cereal, okay? The idea is you take a fruit salad, you want to stick as much as possible to dark purples, full of antioxidants, and what you do is you pour these in. Come on, guys, step down. You pour these in, okay, like so. And this here is coconut water, so you put our coconut water on, JC. So coconut water is good. It has lots of electrolytes. So this is the trend. Cool. Yeah, this is the trend. Now, make sure it's unsweetened, because if it's sweetened, obviously lots of calories.
Yep. Right.
Now, personally speaking, this doesn't look very appetizing to me, but this is why the alternative would be to use some milk, some unsweetened coconut milk. I can get down with that. The water thing, which is the trend, is not my thing, but you know, if you wanted to add the milk, you could do that too. But this is very good, and like I said, tons of antioxidants.
I mean, you don't even like coconut.
You're right, I don't.
A sip of bubble water, maybe?
Yeah.
But
I'm like, but you hate coconut.
so this is not the dish for you. But but anyway,
he could use almond milk, soy milk.
Any milk would be great. The idea is this is nature's...
The point is not a lot of sugar.
That's right.
Eliminate the cereal, just eat a big bowl of berries.
And because the berries have the natural sugar already in them.